Need to add a redirect in Lagoon? Let's walk through it. First, you need to create a redirects-map.conf file. You can store this next to your code for easy access. Add your redirects in this file. Here's an example of a simple www to non-www redirect with preserving the URL string and arguments. Next, you need to include your redirects-map.conf file in your nginx.dockerfile in order to get the configuration into your build. Add this line to your nginx.dockerfile. And that's it! You can add all of your redirects to your redirects-map.conf file from now on. For more information, check out our documentation.